Okay, so you hear AI everywhere now, right? It's like no matter where you turn, someone's talking about artificial intelligence. On the news, in your social feeds, even in casual conversations at coffee shops. It's become a buzzword, but it's also quietly working behind the scenes in ways you might not even notice. It's in your phone, on websites you visit, and even making art that pops up on your feed. From voice assistants that answer your questions to apps that recommend what to watch next, AI is everywhere, shaping how we interact with technology every single day. But what if you could go a step further? Not just use AI, but actually create stuff with it. Imagine building your own tools, apps, or even launching a business powered by AI without needing a computer science degree. That's the idea behind iApps Empire. It's basically a platform, a toolkit, whatever you want to call it. It's designed to give you access to the same kind of technology big companies use, but in a way that's way more approachable. They give you the pieces, and you put them together to make AI-powered apps. It's like building with digital Lego blocks. Drag, drop, and customize until you've got something that works for you or your business. Think things like chatbots that can answer customer questions, image generators that create unique visuals, or even tools that write content for your blog or social media. The possibilities are pretty wide open. Now, before you think, oh, this is only for tech geniuses or people who code all day, hold up. That's not the case here. iApps Empire is built for regular folks. You don't need to be a coding wizard to use it. If you can use a smartphone or browse the web, you're already halfway there. Their whole thing is making AI creation accessible. They want anyone, students, entrepreneurs, small business owners, or just curious people, to be able to jump in and start building with AI. But like any new tech, there's hype, and then there's reality. Sometimes the promises sound amazing, but the real-world experience can be a bit different. So, let's break it down and take a closer look. We'll see if iApps Empire really lives up to the name, and if it's something you should actually check out for yourself. So how does this thing actually work? Let's break it down in simple terms so you know exactly what you're getting into. Imagine you're building with Legos, but instead of snapping together plastic bricks, you're piecing together powerful pre-made AI modules. Each module is like a building block, designed to handle a specific task, and you can mix and match them to create something totally unique. Want your app to understand language, translate, or even chat with users? Boom, there's a module for that. Just drag it in and you're set. Need it to generate images, create art, or design visuals on the fly? That's just another module away. It's all about picking what you need. AI Apps Empire provides the framework, the digital foundation that holds everything together and makes sure all your modules play nicely. You get to choose the features, customize the look and feel, and tweak the details until your app fits your vision. In just a few steps, you've got your own AI-powered tool ready to go. No complex code, no starting from scratch, and no need to be a tech wizard. It's all about making things simple and accessible. The platform is designed to be drag and drop, super user-friendly, and intuitive, even if you've never built an app before. Now, who's this actually for? It's tempting to say everyone, but let's be real, it's not for absolutely everyone. This is for folks who have an idea, a problem to solve, or a vision they want to bring to life. Maybe you're someone who's always thinking, there's gotta be a better way to do this. Maybe you're a business owner looking to automate repetitive tasks, save time, or boost productivity without hiring a whole tech team. Or maybe you're a creative, an artist, designer, or content creator, hoping to streamline your workflow and focus more on what you love. The key is, you have to be willing to put in some work. It's not magic, and it's not a one-click solution. You'll need to learn the platform, experiment with different modules, and refine your app until it's just right. There's a bit of a learning curve, but it's way easier than traditional coding. But hey, at least you're not stuck wrestling with endless lines of code, right? With iApps Empire, you're empowered to build, create, and launch, no matter your background. Here's where iApps Empire gets really interesting. This isn't just another platform where you use AI to automate a few tasks or make your life a little easier. It's a launchpad for creativity, innovation, and most importantly, entrepreneurship. Imagine having the power to not only use cutting-edge AI, but to actually shape it into something that reflects your own vision and brand. It's not just about using AI, it's about selling what you create. You become the creator, the innovator, and the business owner, all rolled into one. This is your chance to move from being a consumer of technology to being a producer, someone who brings new solutions to the market. They give you white label rights to your apps. That means you're not just stuck with generic tools. You get the keys to the kingdom, with the freedom to make these apps truly your own. meaning you can slap your own logo on it, call it your own, and even sell it to others. You control the branding, the pricing, and the customer experience. It's like having your own software company without the years of coding or massive startup costs. Think about that for a second. You could be the face behind the next big AI tool, building a reputation and a business at the same time. You could build a custom chatbot for your online store, tailored to your customers' needs, making their experience smoother and more engaging. Then turn around and sell that same chatbot to other businesses, helping them boost their sales and customer service too. Suddenly, you're not just solving your own problems, you're solving theirs as well. Or create an AI-powered writing tool that helps bloggers, marketers, or students generate content faster and with better quality, and offer it as a subscription service, building a steady stream of recurring revenue. You're not just making a one-time sale, you're creating a business that can grow month after month. The possibilities are kinda wild. From productivity tools to marketing apps, from e-commerce helpers to creative AI, you can carve out your own niche. This is where the empire part of the name comes in. You're not just building a product, you're building a brand, a reputation, and potentially an entire ecosystem of tools. It's not just about making a single app, it's about potentially building a whole business around the AI tools you create. You can expand, diversify, and scale as you learn what your customers want. And that's a game changer, especially for entrepreneurs and side hustlers. It opens doors for anyone with ambition, creativity, and a willingness to learn. But, and there's always a but, right? Opportunity is only half the story. Just because you can sell your apps doesn't mean people will buy them. Success isn't automatic. You have to put in the work to market, support, and improve your products. The market for AI tools is getting crowded. There are new apps and platforms popping up every day, all competing for attention. You gotta bring something unique to the table if you want to stand out. Whether it's a fresh idea, a better user experience, or a niche audience, your success depends on what makes your tools different and better than the rest. One of the biggest selling points of iApp's empire is that it's no code. And that's true for the most part. You won't be writing lines of Python or JavaScript to get your apps up and running. But that doesn't mean it's effortless. Think of it like building a house. Sure, you're not chopping down trees and laying bricks yourself, but you still gotta design the layout, choose the materials, and make sure everything fits together. Same with iApp's empire. You gotta understand the different modules, how they interact, and how to customize them to your liking. Plus, you gotta actually market your app, find customers, and provide support. Is it easier than coding from scratch? Absolutely. Is it a guaranteed path to riches? Nah, not even close. It takes work, dedication, and a bit of entrepreneurial spirit to succeed.